You don't need 21 days to fix your life. Not 90, not even 7. What you really need is just one day, one decision, one powerful moment where you stop lying to yourself and finally face the truth. One moment where you decide that enough is enough and you do what needs to be done. Because the reality is you don't need more time. Time has never been your problem. What you truly need is more truth, more honesty, more raw confrontation with yourself. And today I'm about to give you something no one else dares to give. A complete 24-hour system designed to reset your mind, recharge your energy, and redirect the entire course of your life. This isn't about lighthearted motivation or empty positivity. This is war. And today the battle begins with you. Step 1 is what I call radical self-confinement. Choose one day and cut yourself off from the world. Turn off your phone, shut down the internet, avoid social media. No scrolling, no texting, no distractions at all. Just you and your mind, face to face. Why? Because most people aren't truly broken. They're simply overstimulated. Their minds are drowning in constant noise, endless notifications, and pointless chatter. Their brain has no room to think, no space to breathe, no chance to reflect. And the fastest way to find real clarity is to go silent. If you can't spend a single day alone with your own thoughts, you're not escaping boredom, you're escaping the truth. Step 2 is the mirror ritual, the part nobody ever talks about. Stand before a mirror, look directly into your own eyes. No background music, no affirmations, no distractions, just 5 minutes of stillness. And in that silence, ask yourself one simple but terrifying question. Who am I pretending to be? Ask it with sincerity and you'll feel it, that sharp sting in your chest. That's your real self waking up from the performance you've been putting on for the world. Because deep down, you already know it. You've been playing a role, wearing a mask. But today that ends. Today you stop being fake. Today you choose honesty. Step 3 is destroy to rebuild. Take a notebook and write down 3 brutal truths. The habits that are destroying your potential, the places that drain your energy, and the lies you tell just to feel accepted. And when it's written, don't keep it. Tear the page. Burn it, rip it, shred it into nothing. Why? Because writing those words creates awareness, but destroying them sends a command to your subconscious that the old version of you is dead. You are not going back. That version of you, it dies today. Step 4 is the warrior hour, your most intense hour of the day. Set a timer for 60 minutes. For the first 20 minutes, move your body. Run push-ups, squats, or even a freezing cold shower. Anything that pushes your physical limits. For the next 20 minutes, unload your mind. Write down every thought, every fear, every idea with no filter, no rules, no structure. Let the chaos spill onto paper. And for the final 20 minutes, sit in complete silence. No phone, no music, no distractions. Just breathe. Just exist. If you do this with full intensity, you will feel something shift inside you. An awakening of control, a presence of raw power. Finally, step 5, the 9 p.m. rule. By the end of the day, stand in front of the mirror once again. But this time you don't need to ask anything. Instead, say these words to yourself. Thank you for showing up. Not for being perfect, not for achieving progress, but for showing up with presence. Because that's what most people never do. Most people go their entire lives without giving themselves even one single day of full intensity. But you chose today. A day where you didn't run, didn't hide, didn't lie. A day where you faced yourself head on. And that, my friend, is rare. The truth is you're not broken. You're simply buried under comfort, under fear, under noise. But one day, one honest, focused, unrelenting day can change the entire trajectory of your life. Not because you turned into someone else, but because you finally stopped pretending to be what you are not. If this message speaks to you, don't just scroll past. Don't let it fade away. Act on it. Fix yourself today.